You probably have some questions about our cortisol daytime tea, and so I'm going to answer those questions for you right now. I'm going to tell you what it does, who it's for, and if you're one of those people that should avoid it for some reason. The cortisol daytime tea helps to keep you at an even keel emotionally, physically, all day long by promoting healthy stress response, and that is going to help to promote healthy cortisol levels. The cortisol daytime tea contains a powerhouse combo of herbs like rooibos, tulsi, lemon verbena. Rooibos is super high in antioxidants, and that helps to take the oxidative stress from your body, and it's also anti-inflammatory. Tulsi is an adaptogen, and the adaptogenic class of herbs are very well known for helping to protect your body against the negative effects of stress. And tulsi is also very well known for helping to promote a sense of mental calm and mental clarity. So that's really nice, because if your stress levels are high and your cortisol levels are high, you probably have brain fog. And then lemon verbena is very soothing and relaxing, and it helps to ease tension that can build up in your body, especially under chronic stress. The daytime cortisol tea, it's calming, but it's not sedative. You don't have to worry about feeling sleepy throughout the day, because it doesn't contain herbs that are going to really depress your nervous system and make you want to go to sleep. The daytime cortisol tea is best for people who are dealing with stress, burnout. You feel wired at the end of the day. You're not getting good sleep. You feel bloated. You feel inflamed. If you feel like you always have to be on, this is a wonderful tea to help you to just feel more calm and balanced throughout the day. The bonus of the cortisol daytime tea is that it's a tea. And tea can be a really wonderful ritual for just grounding, centering yourself. It doesn't have to be fancy. It can be very simple. You can drink it hot or over ice. However, this tea is not for everyone. If you are pregnant, nursing, you're under a doctor's care for any reason whatsoever, if you're on medication, make sure you talk to your doctor before you even order this. So just to reiterate, this tea has 0 caffeine. So if you're trying to avoid caffeine, it's not going to make you feel jittery. And like all of our teas, we use only certified organic ingredients. They're non-GMO, they are vegan, they don't have any weird ingredients, and we make them all by hand in our facility in Arizona. You've never brewed loose leaf tea before and you have questions. I have answers. I'm going to show you how cinchy it is to make loose leaf tea. All right, you're going to need some kind of a tea infuser, tea strainer, and this one is probably the best. It's stainless steel with super fine little holes in it that are going to keep all the tea leaves in the infuser and not inside your cup of tea. So you take your infuser, you put it inside your favorite teacup, and then you take a teaspoon. You don't want to use a giant soup spoon, just a little teaspoon. And you take 1 teaspoon of the tea, just like this. And you put it in your infuser. And now I'm going to take my water and pour it on there. Just like this. All right, and because this tea is recommended to steep for 7 minutes, I'm going to set my timer for 7 minutes, and then I'm good to go. Just take the strainer out when I'm done. The flavor of the cortisol daytime tea is really refreshing. It's light, it's a little bit lemony, it's a little bit fruity, a little bit herby, and it is completely caffeine-free. It tastes wonderful hot or over ice. Because the cortisol daytime tea doesn't have any caffeine, you can drink it any time of the day or night and it's not going to keep you up. But because we do say it's for the daytime, we recommend drinking it anytime between breakfast and dinner. So you can enjoy either a hot mug or a refreshing glass of tea anytime, like between lunch and dinner is really nice when you're sitting at your desk and you need a little bit of pick-me-up before lunch. The more you drink it, the better it works.